Hi guys, in this tutorial we talk about OWASP Top 10 2018. First of all, OWASP is a powerful awareness document for web application security. It represents a broad consensus about the most critical security risk to web application. Project members include a variety of security experts from around the world who have shared their expertise to produce this list. We urge all companies and developers to adopt their awareness document within their organization and start the process of ensuring that their web application minimize these risks. Adopting the OWASP Top 10 is perhaps the most effective first step towards changing the software development culture within your organization into one that produces secure code. So let's start. First of all, injection. Injection attacks occur when the user is able to input untrusted data, tricking the application or system to execute unintended commands. There are four main types of code injection attacks. Includes SQL injection, script injection, shell injection, and dynamic evaluation. Injections, for example, can be SQL queries, PHP queries, LDAP queries, and OS commands. Number two, broken authentication. This attack occurs when the application mismanages session-related information such that the user identity gets compromised. The information can be in the form of session cookies, passwords, secret keys, etc. The aim here is to either get into someone else's session or use a session which has been ended by the user or steal session-related information. The application should be checked in order to prevent or fix broken authentication. Include lacking protection against brute force attacks, poor password policy allowing weak or well-known passwords, and the usage of default admin credentials, of course, an unsecure password recovery process, such as using publicly available information, for example, home address, date of birth, or guessable answers to confirm user identity. No use of multi-factor authentication, exposure of session IDs in the URL, for example, URL rewriting, not rotating a session ID after successful login, and poor session management. Example, not invalidating session IDs or authentication token during logout or after periods of inactivity. Number three, sensitive data exposure. Sensitive data exposure can lead to very severe consequences. User impersonation, account takeover, a disclosure of credentials, or something else. Imagine a site simply does not use SSL for all authenticated pages. This enables an attacker to monitor network traffic and steal the user's session cookie, to hijack the user session or accessing their private data. So attackers can sniff or modify the sensitive data if not handled securely by the application. And another example include use of weak encryption keys, for example, use of weak TLS. Follow us on hardandbeat.com.